Hi Hans, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Lucy and today I'm gonna show you like a quick everyday glam makeup using James Charles X Morphe palette. On the day of the launch of this palette, I've uploaded a video with like a colorful makeup, and since then I'm seeing every YouTuber going for like those crazy bold colors, and I don't blame them. I love those colors as well. But I thought I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna show you like a everyday makeup that you can also create with this palette. So keep on watching. I already did my base off camera, so we wouldn't waste any time and we can go directly to this beauty. Today I'm gonna focus on those brownie nudes colors on top, and if you wanna see my makeup with those crazy colors, I'm gonna link it down below. And for today's look, of course, I'm gonna use Morphe James Charles brush set. And as I said, we're gonna do like a simple everyday glam look or something that you can wear on a date. I don't know, we will see how the day goes. I'm gonna start with Morphe eyelid primer, you know, just to keep it more profesh. I'm just gonna grab a brush and pack the primer all over my lid. And now I'm gonna take fluffy brush and dip this in the shade Canvas and put this all over my lid, just as a transitional shade. And now with the same fluffy brush, I'm gonna go with shade Glittery and put this in my crease. I'm not gonna follow my natural eye shade. I'm gonna put this a little bit closer to my nose. I wanna put main focus on the lower lash line, so on the top lid I'm gonna apply just a little bit of metallic shade Shook to give a little bit of the color, but just a little bit. And I want to mainly focus on outer corner and the crease and feather it out so you have like a nice long eyes. Long eyes? Ugh, like a cat eyes. Stupid! And now with a fluffy brush, I'm gonna dip a little bit into shade Shook and Sister and put this near my nose. And again, this is to make an illusion or like a longer eyes. Again with the longer eyes, like a more cat looking eyes. I don't know where I got the long eyes from. Hey boo. And now I'm gonna grab flat brush, spray it a little bit with the setting spray and go into shade Ring Light. And put this in a corner. This shade is so pretty. And now I'm gonna come back to the fluffy brush and blend those edges near the nose. And to be fair, we are almost done. I said it's gonna be super quick makeup. Now with the flat brush, I'm gonna go in the black shade Spooky and put this all over my lower lash line. Just gently press it, and I'm not going into inner corner or outside the outer corner. I'm just following the natural lash line. And now with the pointy brush, I'm gonna go into shade Benny and blend the black a little bit. You don't have to be super precise with this one, because in a second we're gonna blend this with another shade. And now with the small fluffy brush, I'm gonna go back to the shade Shook and blend all the lower lash line. And if you wanna have like a real smooth transition, go with the fluffy brush and a little bit of shade Boutique and blend it all out. Just very gently, quick blend. I want to intensify a little bit the lower lash line, so I'm gonna go back to the shade Benny and put a little bit more, but still not going further than the natural lash line. I'm gonna go back to the flat brush, give it a nice spritz of setting spray, and go back to the black shade Spooky, and I'm gonna put this on my lash line. Just a little bit to give the eye more defined shape. You know what? This black, it's honestly real black. You don't need a liner when you are using this one. Now the whole makeup is a little bit dark, so to open up the eye I'm gonna go with my Morphe coconut pencil and put this in my what? Waterline. And don't be afraid of using it, although it's white, when you apply this on your waterline it goes a little bit more pinky nude rather than full-blown white. And for the lashes I'm gonna go with my Too Faced mascara Better Than Sex. Well, it's a statement. And because we are focusing on lower lash line, we have to give like a fair coat of a mascara on the lower lashes as well. Let me just apply the lashes off camera and I'll be right back. I put lashes on. I went for my mermaid lashes from Primark, just £2. Basically Primark, I love you. And now let's do highlight. I'm gonna grab M501 brush, dip it into shade Face and apply this on top of my cheekbone. And a little bit on my lips to make them look a little bit bigger. And of course a little bit above my brows. And one last step, lips. And today I'm gonna do something extra. I'm gonna go with the lip liner. The Velvetine lip liner from Lime Crime. I don't usually use liners, but you know, for special occasions, why not? And this is so creamy and waterproof at the same time. If you want to make your lips look a little bit fuller, you can go with a highlight above your lips and it will make them look bigger. And of course you can overline them with a lip liner, what I'm gonna do now. But not too crazy, we're not doing drag makeup right now. Oh, and by the way, the lip liner is in shade Angel. And now I'm gonna go for creamy lipstick in shade Birthday Suit. And again, it's a Lime Crime, it's birthday collection. I did a review of full collection. I'm gonna link it over here so you can go and check it out. And I'm so happy that finally we are getting over the liquid matte lipsticks, because honestly it was too much. Third tip for making your lips look a little bit bigger, you can always go with just a little bit highlight in the middle. Now I'm using the shade Sister. It will not only set the lipstick in place, but it will also give like more dimension to the lips. The look is done. I know I said it's gonna be like a simple everyday glam makeup, but I got carried away, sorry, and we end up with something more for like a date or I don't know, like movie premiere. I kept my promise. I used only James Charles palette and a little bit of the Lime Crime lips. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you for being here with me, and please give me thumbs up, click the subscribe button, it will be super helpful to me, and see you on the next one. Bye!